So I recently purchased this bike. Yeah, it's not the greatest one out there, but it'll do me just fine. I'm pretty new to this style of two wheels, as you can tell from these pictures. I did a lot of superbike racing from when I was young, and then naturally just kind of transitioned to doing some dirt and hare scramble racing, and I had quite a successful career at it. So now I kind of made a bet with my buddy that I would ride a bicycle. We'll see how it gets on. I'm the mountain bike new guy. Thanks for watching. The guy leading the way, he's the guy I've got to deal with for riding bicycles. It's his first year riding a dirt bike, so I've been taking him out trying to show him the things that I know about riding dirt bikes and to get him faster, more accustomed to riding dirt bikes. And he's taking me out on the bicycles. Actually, this is the first time I've been out on the bicycles on the trails with him, and he's going to show me some tricks and tips on how to ride a bicycle. He's very accomplished. He's been racing for years and years and years, all different styles and different disciplines. He's very accomplished at it. He knows what he's doing, and it's worth noting he's 10 years younger than I am, because as you can see here, I'm climbing a hill, and it takes my chubby butt a long time to climb a hill because I'm old and way out of shape. And you know, it's great because he's right at the top, waiting patiently. I'm sure he's already had a couple mouthfuls of water, and yeah, it's been fun so far. This was quite a common occurrence. We would get to any sort of uphill, I'd be downshifting and slowing down, and he'd just stand up and, yep, pedal away from me. Nice guy though, he'd wait for me at the top of the hill every time. But yeah, that was pretty common for the day. Starts getting boring, but you know, I'll get better, I hope. There was a good portion of this ride that I forgot to turn my GoPro on. I was probably more concentrating on not dying and huffing and puffing and breathing. But these single tracks are more of what we ride on our dirt bikes. This is our style of riding in the woods for dirt bikes. This is like our hare scramble, GNCC, that type of stuff. The hard enduro, I guess is what you'd call it. But yeah, the single track is what I go for on the dirt bikes. I got a 2-stroke, 252 stroke. It'd be awesome to ride this stuff all day on a dirt bike. So, you know, I'm really enjoying doing it on a bicycle as well. It's nice, tight. Lots, you know, it's not overly technical because you're not at a speed you would be on a dirt bike there. But this is the type of riding that I definitely enjoy. I just have to get used to it on a bicycle. Some cool downhills, lots of uphills. I like the bends. But yeah, just getting used to it, you know, getting comfortable on a bicycle and letting the bicycle do its thing. But this is definitely my style of riding for sure. This section was probably the most fun that I've been on so far on a bicycle. It was definitely the most fun out of this ride. Some decent inclines, some really cool downhills. It was a bit faster, lots of cool fast turns. Of course, it was the end of the day, so everything for me was sore. It was nice to kind of relax and coast down a hill. But all in all, it was a great day. Had an absolute blast out there. It was hot, extremely hot. I was sweating profusely, but it was a great day. After this, we got onto the roadway here, and we headed back towards the parking area and packed the bike up and headed home. Great first ride. It's my first time really being in the woods for a decent ride on a mountain bike, and I gotta say I kind of liked it. I'm used to having a motor, but using my legs as the motor was a lot of fun, and hopefully I get back out there and I can keep making some videos and we can go to some new places, and you guys can follow along how I progress and if I get any better at doing this. Thanks for watching, guys. I'm the mountain bike noob guy.